Well, mercy me, I am back. I've been not painting for about, I don't know, 10 days, 2 weeks. Been doing projects around the house, and I needed a paint fix. So I am going to just have fun today. I'm using some colors that I really haven't used before. And you can see the names for yourself, and you can see what the colors look like. This black cherry, I can't wait to see how that turns out. It's kind of a pretty color. Anyway, we'll find out. I mixed up several different whites just to come up with a base. Most of it was this Artist Loft. Kind of has a shimmer to it, I guess. And I'm going to do a open cup and just have fun spreading it around, see what we come up with. Anyway, let me get everything set up and I shall be back. Okay. I'm going to I made this a lot runnier today, and I was watching a video, and I'm probably going to say her name wrong, but Rinska Donahue from, I think she's from the Netherlands, and she's great, absolutely fabulous. Anyway, I was watching one of her videos, and she uses water with her mixtures and not so much Floetrol, so I thought I'd try coming up with my own goofy mixture today with more water and less Floetrol. So I am going to see how this works. You know, you don't know until you try, so bear with us, and I hope to goodness I don't spread this all over the northern hemisphere when I turn this on here. Yep. I'm very impressed with myself. I didn't even get it on the floor, nor did I blow my cups away. Okay, let me get a little on the side here. I don't know if you noticed when I first laid my paints out here, but this is a reclamation project. This is a canvas that I did something on that apparently didn't look good when I finished it, so I primered over it, and I'm going to try something else here today. So there we have that, and I am going to do the open cup. So let's start having some fun. I think I'll put a little drop of Amsterdam. Just a touch there. And what do we want to start with? That's the big question. How about starting with some bubble eliminator? Yep, there was a bubble. Alrighty. I remember, well, come on. Well, I'll get the bubbles again in a minute. What do you think we should start with? Copper. What the heck? That's nice to put my watch in it. Okay. This is, oh, I don't know if I mentioned it, but every one of these colors is a metallic. Okay, and this is turquoise. I hope this is a fun pour today. There's turquoise. How about this? They call it nickel, but bronze, I don't know. It's kind of a, ooh, getting some lift up there. Okay, there's that one. And yes, you got it, black cherry. Doesn't that just sound good? Black cherry. Sounds like something you'd mix with your Coke, except we don't drink Coke anymore. Okay, here we go. And this one is the, I think it's topaz. Let's find out. Ready? Okay, now I want to scoot this a little bit. And I want to put in some more. Whoops. Black cherry. I don't know if you can hear the music in the background. Guess I'm giving my age away if you can. I like that kind of music because basically I can understand the words they're saying. Okay. Ooh, I forgot my Amsterdam. Well, shame on you, Richard. Have some, pal. Have some Amsterdam. Okay, here we go. Well, let's see what's going to happen here. What do we have here? Let's torch it. Now, my only criticism on this could possibly be I made the paints too thin, because I was trying what Rinska has done, and she makes hers fairly thin also. So, it's how we try, it's how we learn. These colors remind me of southwestern colors again. All right, I'm going to do a little tipping and slipping. Before I do that, in case I get my blower out, I'm going to move these paints out of the way, because the cups will go flying very far if I put the dryer on, or the hair dryer, the blower. Here we are, here we are. Yeah. All right. Get rid of the white one. Okay. Shall we tip and turn? Better get the rag ready to go because it's going to be... Here we are. What do you think of that black cherry? You know what I'm going to do, don't you? Oh yeah, you probably already guessed. Let me guess. I am going to use a mini blower on it. I got nothing to lose. First I'm going to torch it again. See what kind of more interactions we can get. Okay. Calling out the mini guard. Hot diggity dog. Let's go, Minnie. Well, what do you think? Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll let that rest for a minute. Let it interact. Get some more of these paint pond frog bubbles. Ooh, I kind of like it. I do. Let's let it sit for a minute. I'm going to move it back because I'm going to get a cup and get the edges here. I'm going to do a... You'll spit it out, Richard. I'm going to do a coaster and use some of the leftover colors on this coaster I did a while back, and I didn't like the colors of it, so it's very dark. So I'll use some of these coppers, and boy, I tell you, that black cherry really adds some depth to it, doesn't it? Another dimension. So I got a little bit of lacing, I got a little bit of bubbles, cells, activity. I got the whole enchilada in this bad boy. Okay, let's slow this down for a minute, let it percolate, do its thing, and we'll be back in a bit with a wrap-up. Stand by. Alrighty, here's the finished product for the most part. I'll just come in a little closer. You can see some of the dynamics. Yeah, we got some activity there. A little color, a little fluid motion, a little of everything. Color combinations, curiously interesting. Mini Blower did a fun job with mooshing things out. And yeah, I think we'll see what it looks like when it dries. And I also have a little coaster there that I did. It'll be a fun one when it dries too. So, with that, I will wrap this video up and say thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully it won't be 2 weeks in between pours. So, this is Richard B. saying thanks for watching. Talk to you later.